Hey, what's up, y'all? I just did a quick the Quill lock hack where you take this lock. It normally sits on this side, and you have to push it down to lock the quill and push it up to unlock it. But that thing's always so loose that gravity over time goes down and starts locking on the quill. And if you're using power feed and all that, it'll eventually start binding and locking the quill. So you move this to the back and you push it up to lock it, and then you loosen it into the down position to loosen it. And then the other thing that I noticed before I even did that, this quill, if I let go of this handle here, it just drops on its own. And from what I'm understanding, it's supposed to stay up. So I haven't got to a part anywhere in the manual yet that tells me how to make adjustments so that the spring tension will keep it up. Or maybe there's something damaged or broken or worn out that I don't know about. But it usually falls about an inch. Let me see. Right there. That's probably about 1.5 inches, maybe. Close to 2 inches. I don't know. Anyway. So yeah, that's what's going on with this thing right now. That's what I've dug into right now on this. I'm just learning what, the quill feed, engage and disengage, and then the motor high range, neutral and low range. This is a turn, all that. I learned how to use the brake. I learned how to adjust the quill feed from, was it 0.1, 0.3 to 0.6? Something like that. Yeah. Anyway, and then how to engage and disengage the quill feed clutch. Manual. This thing is missing the knob here for the manual. So yeah, that's what I'm curious about right now is this thing right here. What's going on with that? All right, if y'all know, let me know. Thanks.